Mike, how do I get quality leads? What's the meaning of quality leads, and what's the difference between quality leads and non-quality leads? Using examples that a lot of people will be able to relate to. So let's say, for example, you are writing Java, you've written your Java, you score like 195, and your friends score like 200 and above. Okay, let's say you score 195, you watching this video score 195, and I score like 250. And both of us want to enter a federal university, or probably want to enter a school like OAU, UNIBEN, Unilorin, and the rest. You know, all those federal university at default, they only take people that have like 200 and above. You get, automatically you are disqualified. You won't be able to enter Unilorin. That doesn't mean that you are not good. That doesn't mean that you are not having money. That doesn't mean that you don't know book. Or probably anything could happen when you were writing your exam, maybe not prepare very well, or probably the aspect that you were given doesn't really relate to what you know you get. So, but because you are not having 200 in job, that means that you are not a quality lead for OAU, Unilorin, and other federal university. But because I have 200 and above, like I have like 250, so automatically I become a quality lead for federal university. So that's the same way you can think about your customers. So just because you are not interested in my product, that doesn't mean you are a bad person. That doesn't mean you are broke. But it means that you are not a quality lead for me, because you will not be able to patronize me. You will not be able to buy what I'm selling, because you are not interested. You know, for example, like this currently, I'm not a forest trader. I don't know anything about forest. So if you are trying to pitch me, or you are trying to promote your forest trading course to me that I should come and buy, if I thought I'm going to buy it, might take like 2 years or 1 year or a long time before I can consider it, because I'm not even interested in anything like forest trading. You get, so that's when you are trying to run it hard, you always want to filter people that are only interested. You find ways that you make sure that okay, so people are interested, and those people that you are getting in your own folio. You get, so share this to help someone if you find this very interesting. Make sure you follow me for more helpful tips. Thank you.